Hi, welcome to our channel. I'm Tiffany.
And I'm Hugo.
We're sell quick, ship quick, part-time resellers.
Full-time hustlers.
And we have our first ThredUp designer box, courtesy of Denali telling us that they were available. So this is designer box number 1 that we have.
We actually did a men's box. We'll make sure to link that video. That was also fun. We didn't know what to expect.
Yeah, so the men's box is like the stuff that people send into ThredUp.
That they shouldn't?
Because ThredUp doesn't sell men's clothes on their website anymore, even though they started by selling men's stuff. Yeah, so we didn't really know what to expect from that. But this is also our first designer box, and I don't really know what to expect besides what we've seen our friends get.
Yeah, so needless to say, excited and unsure.
Yes. All right. Safety first.
Ooh.
Why are you making those noises?
You need noises. Sometimes noises make... Because if I just cut it...
No.
If I go... That just made it more exciting. I know, she has to deal with this. Alright, so.
Alright. Oh. Oh. They're in Macy's. Did you know that?
I didn't know that.
Okay.
Got a little paper.
Alright, so here's the rescue box, designer, da-da-da. Okay.
And another...
Oh, we can...
Gift people.
Win a year free thrifting. Oh, well.
That worked out.
This expired. Alright.
Oh, it's so...
Ooh!
I know!
I don't know what this is, but it smells like leather.
Yeah.
Like real leather. Made in Italy. Wait, am I supposed to know what this is? Oh, this is from
Mansour Gabriel.
I was gonna say Mansour
Gabriel. No, I believe it's Mansour Gabriel.
Okay, have you guys heard of that? Okay, so I mean, this bag looks pretty good.
Yeah, it has wear on it, like on the bottoms of the bag, but I mean inside it's good, it's clean.
Okay, so the inside is like this blue color, and at the very bottom it says made in Italy.
No pockets, it's just straight leather.
Hey, these are really cute straps too. Like it's got like this cute little, I don't know. It's supposed to attach to something?
Maybe loop on itself to make it a giant wristlet.
I'm very confused, but also
intrigued.
Yeah, this is a cute purse. It smells really good too.
At the very least, I think it's found a home.
Yeah, well, no. Oh, there's like minor wear at the corners, like from it being, you know, put on the, I don't know, like I guess put down. But it's like this really thick leather. I don't know, it's interesting.
Yeah, we're gonna have to look into that one.
Yeah.
But if you know, you could jumpstart and let us know. Yeah, it does smell good. And then we'll definitely need some work done to them. But
ooh.
Yeah.
Gucci gang.
Gucci gang, Gucci gang. I don't know the rest of that.
That just makes me think of Thai. Okay, so these are, hey, they're Vibram.
Yeah, that's what I was about to say.
Okay, so minus, like, these are
not too bad. I mean, the heel is a little bit eaten up. I don't know if it's hard to show you there. But the heel
looks like someone gnawed on it?
Yeah. Yeah, someone gnawed on it. But other than that, the sole is actually fairly good. Or they used it once and they fell and they stuck the heel inside a grate and it scratched at the heel.
I mean, like, the bottom of the shoes look good. Okay, so there's like wear on the stiletto part. There's a little bit of wear at the point, the tip of the shoe. But otherwise, like...
These are nice, Vibram Gucci booties.
These are really cute.
Yeah.
I can't wear them because I'm gonna fall in heels like that. But those are cute.
Okay, is this, what do we got here?
Barashi. Okay, I think we should know this because I think I've seen people put this online, but I've never found this before. So that's why I don't know it.
I mean, it's missing that little hook, that's it, right?
Yeah.
Zipper goes all the way up.
Yeah, the zipper goes up.
Has a few, looks to be small snags, but yeah.
It's a nice lace.
Embroidered.
Yeah, embroidered skirt. This looks like it's in good condition. It's just got maybe a few tiny snags in the embroidery, but it looks like it's only in this area. So gonna look this one up. Okay.
Fast now.
Okay, so Michael Kors.
Yeah.
It's in good condition.
Yeah, the bottom looks good.
The bottom's really clean.
Yeah. It's definitely well kept.
It's got the little MK locket here. Oh, the inside of the bag is really clean. It's got like
some dust, not like...
No, it's got like a little tiny stain at the bottom of one of the pockets. But the pockets are clean inside. Zippers are working. Zippers working. It works.
It works.
Outside pocket. Surprisingly, the pockets are all really clean. You know, sometimes when you're using purses and you like throw things in.
Pens, makeup things.
There's like a tiny little marking here, but I think, you know, that's easily wipeable. There's one tiny stain in this bottom part right here. It's not too bad, but like the bottom of the bag looks really good.
Yeah. And again, if for whatever any of these catch your attention, let us know. You can easily find us on Instagram at Sell Quick Ship Quick.
Michael Kors. Oh, glasses. Okay, well there's
Do
like
they match? Is it Michael Kors as
no,
well?
there's like a scratch. I don't know
on
if you
the
can
actual,
see that.
yeah.
Right there. It's like Tiffany blue.
It looks good on you.
Right? Well, I mean, not the good part, but the blue.
Yeah. And the thing with glasses, it's something to definitely, just because it's scratched, I'm curious to see if those frames are at all popular.
It does say made in Italy. Are all Michael Kors glasses made in Italy?
I don't know.
Do you know? Because I don't. And we've never picked up sunglasses before, so this is going to be interesting.
Yeah. But Kim has the case and all. I don't know what that is, but the leather feels nice.
Alright, so we have this little tiny wallet with a coin purse on the side. Oh, it's a Coach. Oh, this is a nice Coach wallet. This is like an older Coach wallet, but it's really nice.
Yeah, the leather is really, it's really nice.
There's somewhere like
the
here,
edges?
but it's really just the top two edges right here. Otherwise, it's in really good condition, I think, for the quality of the leather. It feels really thick.
Yeah.
All right, last one. Oh, this is a cute Coach bag. It's the patchwork. So I can't say for sure because we obviously have not looked this stuff up yet. But I want to say that when I did look up comps before for Coach, it was like the patchwork stuff that was sought after. Oh, this one's a little bit dirtier than the last one.
I think this one's actually a little bit, definitely dirtier.
I don't know if
than
you
the
guys
last
can
one.
see the inside. Trying to show that. But like the inside definitely needs a good clean.
Yeah, a lot of pen marks. Like I said, throwing your pens in there.
Yeah.
And then also I noticed outside too, the pink.
suede part?
Yeah, the suede part picked up on, because that's supposed to be pink.
Yeah, so this part right here is a little dirty. because that looks gray in the video. That's supposed to be pink.
Yeah.
So, I mean, I think I just like clean this up.
Yeah.
Like,
I
it's
mean,
not...
it might still be salvageable for, what do you call it? Auction. I mean,
I don't know. We're gonna look all this stuff up, but this bag is cute.
yeah. I think it's just dirty, not damaged.
Yeah. And I think our friend Quenby, Grateful Queen Bee, she had a video a while back on cleaning purses. So I might have to just pop that video up while I attempt to clean this handbag. We don't sell mini handbags.
No, we've sold, oddly enough though, before...
used handbags. We
Yeah.
haven't sold used handbags.
So before Tiff joined in and really made this a business, when I was just doing this more on my own, she would go with me to TJ Maxx and we were flipping some of those purses over there for good money. And I never knew I was gonna get in the purse business. Obviously didn't, because we no longer do it, but...
Okay, so where we are, the like handbags, like used handbags don't sell, or they're not cost efficient?
Cost effective?
Or...
They're not worth flipping because they cost
charge
too
too
much.
high.
Yeah.
So yeah, I haven't had to clean a used purse.
Actually...
I don't even know when the last time I cleaned a used purse.
Yeah. It's been a while.
So yeah, gonna watch a video, gonna learn how to clean this thing, and
Thank you, YouTube, for all those how-tos.
so hey, Coach
Nice.
purse, Michael Kors purse I don't know how to pronounce, Menser,
I'm excited
Gabrielle.
to look that one up.
This is a nice one.
We got a Coach wallet.
Gucci shoes, Kors sunglasses, and Barashi.
Yeah.
So gonna look all this stuff up and
If you already know, let us know in the comments.
crossing fingers.
Yeah.
Alright, well,
Thank you for watching,
Yes.
and as always, don't forget to subscribe. Thumbs up. Hit the bell. We got plenty of videos coming out. We do our best to keep videos coming out at least 2 to 3 times a week. And best way to find out what we got coming up is hitting that bell. Make sure you know. And if you want to contact us, the quickest, most direct route,
Instagram.
yeah.
Alright, well, thanks for watching, and we will see you
Next time.
Yeah.